Welcome back, everyone. We received the box from New Holland, Rochester, out of pretty sure Rochester, Indiana. Now, I've been looking for a dealer or New Holland himself to send me paint and to work with me on this tractor getting parts and stuff. And they said they want to take the job of that, so they sent me some paint and gonna do an unboxing. I already opened it, but it's pretty much the same thing. I just wanted to check the paint out real quick for an unboxing. But it's here. I got 2 gallons worth. Hopefully that's enough for the loader and everything. And gotta get this. I'm not 100% ready to paint yet. I gotta do some research, talk to people about if I need to put primer on, because I'm not sandblasting the tractor, I'm just wire billing it. And if I do that and I don't go to the bare minimum, it might be okay just to spray it. But I don't know. Might have to get some primer. I want it to look good. I don't want it to look like a crappy job, so yeah. And the whole point of this thing is this restoration set puts me in a category of like 1%, because I mean there's restorations of 7610 Ford on YouTube already, but none of them show you as much as I show you. And on top of that, it's either what I've seen is the tractor has faded paint, they basically sand it down and spray, and that's it. I mean, I'm rebuilding the rear end, the transmission, the engine, the turbo. I mean, it's getting all new parts, and I got great companies working with, like Reliable Aftermarket Parts, uh, New Holland, Rochester. They're very, very big help. And I got Channel Lock sending me tools for the build, so that's good. And I had Rush Research Manufacturing send me a home. I got R&F Engine sending me the engine rebuild kit, and then I got Rabbi Aftermarket Parts gonna hopefully do the majority of the rest of the parts, like the seat, the brush guard, lights, seals, bearings. Um, I'd like to get Gen cells on the build, but I don't know. But enough for yapping, and let's get to unboxing. So. Okay. This one box at the top looks different than the other one for some reason. Huh. Set that right there. I got stuff everywhere. This is most of the differential and part of the, I mean not the rear end assembly. Uh, the freaking part that transfers the power from the transmission to the differential and transfers the differential to the axles, powering the tires. So, if that makes sense. But this little guy has a dent in him, but that's okay. Make a little. Oh, come on. That one has a little dent in it too. Oh, that's supposed to be there, that little dent? This one. UPS. Oh, that one has a dent too. No, paint's paint. Still gonna work, but it is factory matched New Holland, 1963 to 1999. My truck is an 82. It's 1 quart because apparently New Holland only makes this shade of blue in a quart now, which doesn't really exactly make sense if you ask me, because if they make the paint, why can't they just fill up a gallon? Maybe it's because I don't know. It doesn't make sense. There's 4. There should be 4 more in that other box, but that box, unless it's me, it looks oddly different for some reason. Hopefully there's enough paint in there. Yeah, we got enough paint, okay. Yeah, I mean, New Holland Rochester did a great job. Don't get me wrong with that, but UPS needs to literally up their game. I am 100% sure that this did not leave New Holland Rochester like this. I mean, come on. I mean, luckily it's only paint, and it's not going to affect the paint, but, like, about what the heck I get. We got, freaking RC car. I open it up. The box looks a little beat up. I go ahead and open it up. The whole damn front axle of the car is busted off of the frame of the RC car. And that was a $2,000 RC car. So I'm like, holy moly, I was so pissed about that. And then I had a really crappy situation where I ordered 4 RC cars and only received 2. And also, Peaceful Creek LLC sent me the parts manual for the tractor, which is right there. So there we are. Don't mind a couple of cans of John Deere spray paint next to it. Probably gonna get haters saying, "Oh, John Deere's better, New Holland's better." I literally painted my neon engine hoist right there, John Deere thing. But I might have to paint it forward blue now. Wouldn't look too bad. If I have extra, I might. I don't know. It works. But it's good outside with the orange on there. But yeah. So the UPS driver, which according to what's her name called? Like supervisor, whatever the area or whatever, calls me and says, well, he's a new driver and he's still learning and stuff. Delivers 2 of my RC cars. And it says all 4 of them been delivered. So I'm like, hold on a minute. These things are like $2,500 a piece. So you damn right. Where the hell are my RC cars? So I go file a claim, and he comes back just all pissed off, saying that he delivered all the RC cars, and I'm like, no, you delivered 2. I ordered 4. And he's like, 4? And I'm like, yeah, 4. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, number 4. And then he said, he went dead silent, and he was always saying, well, I got a delivery photo. I'm like, let me see it. Because if there's 4 boxes in the delivery photo, then it's not exactly your fault. But if there isn't, then it is, basically. So he goes on and comes up with reasons why he couldn't show me delivery photo. And it hasn't been it hasn't ever been uploaded to UPS's website because when you get a delivery and put in track number, some of the times they'll let you see a delivery photo, and it wasn't doing that. Which, and with him complaining about showing me a damn picture, which would have saved me a headache, him a headache, and his boss a headache. Something ain't lining up there, and I talked to his boss about that, and his boss is like, well, he never said anything about taking a delivery photo. And I'm like, well, he said he did. So it's like, I basically gotta be around for all my deliveries because it's getting ridiculous. I mean, it's awful. I mean, it's the United States Post Service, ridiculous. I mean, yeah, they're probably really big, but now this is now the fourth time or fifth time in less than 2 weeks they have delivered something a couple states over. Like, first, what was it? Oh, it's my headphones. I'm in my pocket right here. The Samsung Galaxy earbuds. Got some new ones. So I basically put in my address, check it, it's all correct, and then they deliver it a whole entire state over. And I'm like, what the heck? And then, oh, the little Z bender that makes Z bends and throttle cables for lawnmowers and weed whackers and stuff. My address was correct. They deliver that in Montana. Does it look like I live in Montana? And now, what was it? The steering bushings for the 300 coming from California. I'm next state up, Oregon. Somehow they got delivered in Washington. So what is why? Like, why don't companies stop? Like, they went right by where I could either picked it up or they could have delivered it. So I don't understand. It's like if you were, if for example you live in, let's just say Washington, but you order something from California. The damn thing, for some reason, will go all the way to Florida, bounce to New York, and then come all the way back. Why can't they just go to California to Washington? Or one guy I seen, forgot exactly, but I think he ordered something in Texas. No, he lived in Texas and ordered something from Utah, and then went to Wisconsin, and then him. It's like, what the heck? That makes that is in 0 cents. It's like, what can you expect, really? So, I want to say big thanks to New Holland, Rochester for sending out the paint. That was a very, very big help. I'm extremely, extremely thankful that they did that, and I look forward to getting parts from them. Yeah. Did talk to reliable aftermarket parts about the two differential bearings, and it does seem like they have them, but they don't want to basically send them until next month. So either gonna have to wait or get them somewhere else or something. So, I don't know, but I'll put a link in the description to Rochester's website. Go check them out. Tell them I sent you, and and I'll put a link in the description to Reliable Aftermarket Parts website. I got a discount code for them. I don't have one for Rochester yet, but Reliable Aftermarket, I believe, is N.R.T, just N.R.T, and then that will save you, I believe, 10 or 15% off your order. I think 15% off your order. So, yeah. Well, I gotta go call Milwaukee and talk to them about another situation because they basically got their, I don't know what's going on. One minute they say it is under warranty, next minute they say it's not under warranty, then they say it's. And then I received a brand new tool, so it's like, if it's not under warranty, then why was I sent a brand new tool? So it's like, it makes 0 sense, but I gotta go call customer service and see what's up, because they're saying N.R.T they sent in's not covered under warranty for like, I think the second time, so I told them send it back the first time. Then I called them again, they said, no, it is under warranty, send it back, we'll definitely take care of you 100%. Then they say again, it's not under warranty. So it's like, you're wasting my time. The tool's not fixed. I need the tool, and it's bullcrap. So, all right, well, I gotta go give them a call. So I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Leave a like, comment, share this video, and